Want Hulu Plus Live TV on your Roku? Stop searching and start watching. Here's the definitive 2-minute guide. I'm Roberto from Sleek Guides. Today we're setting up the ultimate streaming experience on your Roku device. First, ensure your Roku is running OS 11 or higher. You'll also need a download speed of 8 megabits for live TV. Step 1. Press the home button on your Roku remote to access the main dashboard and the sidebar. Step 2. Scroll down and select Streaming Channels to open the official Roku channel store for downloads. Step 3. Use the search bar to type Hulu. Select the official Hulu icon when it appears on the right. Step 4. Select Add Channel and enter your PIN if required. Wait for the installation progress bar to finish. With the app installed, select OK. Now let's link your account using the fastest method available. Launch Hulu and select Log In, then activate on a computer. A unique code will appear on your screen. On your phone or PC, go to hulu.com/activate and sign in. This avoids using the slow on-screen keyboard. Enter the code shown on your TV. The Roku app will automatically refresh and log you in instantly. You're in. Now let's customize your live TV experience to make sure your favorite channels are always first. Follow the personalization flow to select your favorite genres like sports, news, or kids programming. Favorite networks like ESPN or CNN to pin them to the top of your live guide for quick access. Running into issues, go to Settings, then System, and perform a manual update to ensure compatibility. If the app is still glitchy, remove the channel, restart your Roku, and perform a fresh reinstall. That is it. You're ready to enjoy live sports and news. No more buffering, just pure entertainment. For more expert tech tutorials, subscribe to Sleek Guides. I'm Roberto, and I'll see you in the next one.